Hey guys, this is Firebird and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make your picture looks more realistic and more colorful on in Adobe Photoshop 2020 so that they will stand out. So let's go. So for you open the Adobe Photoshop 2020, it will take some time to open according to your specs of the computer. That's it. Okay, so here is the Photoshop 2020. You can see. Now we'll open our picture from file open, or you can simply press Ctrl plus O and then select and press OK. So here is the picture. Now first we will go down here and click the new adjustment layer button and go to vibrance and click it. The properties tab will open up. Here we will increase its vibrance to full around 100 and its saturation to let's see 21 is good. Yeah, then again we'll go down to the new adjustment layer button and go to hue and saturation and click it again, and again our properties tab will open up. Here you can see there are three main colors of the picture: yellow, red and blue. So we'll adjust these all three. First you'll select the blue color and adjust its saturation around, let's see here, almost 30 is fine. Yep. And select the yellow color and saturation to around, let's see, 20 is fine. You can see this now, and similarly we can select red color and select a saturation to around 15, I guess. Yeah, 15 is good. And then okay, you can see, then we'll go to the blend modes of the Photoshop. You can see the options and go to soft light. Click on the soft light. Yeah, this looks good. You can see the contrast is increasing. It's good. Go to the adjustment level panel again and click on curves. Then move the downward diagonal to a quarter and the upper diagonal somewhat lower. Yeah, adjust it according to you. Then go to a create new group button and click on it, and then select all the three layers by pressing Ctrl. Okay, you can use the shift button and drag all three layers to the group one. You can see they are merged in the group one. They are all selected. So now click on the new layer mask with the group one selected, and you can see the layer mask has come up, and I'll decrease its density to around half 50. Okay, then go to the gradient tool in the Photoshop. Okay, this is the gradient tool and click on it, and see the gradient tool is going from black to white. Yeah, it's good. And then I'll click the mouse button left and drag the cursor from downwards to upwards and just leave. Yeah, you can see this now. Your image is done and it's look good, it's look realistic and it's look cool. Yeah, you can see the before by click on the eye badge and click on it, and this is the after. Thank you guys. Thank you.